Okay, this one was just running about 20 minutes ago, but let's see what happens. Might take a little bit to get fuel there. Let's try it again. I adjusted the fuel line. May have to get some helper spray. Okay, I think I just screwed up here. I think this is the one that didn't run. Let me turn off the jumper pack. And I think it was the other one that would start and run. So I kind of screwed up here. This one will run. It just, it needs the carburetor cleaned. So I'm going to switch the fuel tank over to the other one, and we'll try this again in another video. So the first Yamaha, will it run? No, unfortunately. But like I said, I think I screwed up here. So talk to me later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment.